Welcome to my class. Today's lesson is the little bird. First of all, I am reading. Here are some of new words are there. Grass, window, wet, clouds, house. Let's see where we are staying. Are we staying nearby the tree or in a home? In a home, right? So why we need a house? We need to protect ourselves from some rainfall, humidity, and wild animals. To protect ourselves from the wild animals. We need a house. We need a house to protect ourselves. We are not. Even the animals like birds, they also make their home in their own way. It was raining. The grass was wet. Joe, Mahi, Bee and Anu were inside the house. What shall we do all day? We cannot go out to play. Mahi said, "Oh look, a bird has come into our house." Bee told, "Let us keep him in a box." "Oh no, we must not do that. He will be sad." Everybody wants to fly. Everybody wants to live in freely. That bird also, when Joe told, "Let him keep in the box." "Oh no," Anu told, "Oh no, we must not do that. He will be sad. He will be sad." When rain falls, we cannot go outside to play. We stay inside. There are two types of games are there. Those are indoor games and outdoor games. When we will play outdoor games, we should go outside and we should play. Please turn over the page. Bee opened the window. The clouds had gone. The sky was blue. The sun was shining. The little bird hopped out. He was happy. He flew and he flew and he flew. He flew to a big tree. He was singing now. What was he saying? "I like you, Joe. I like you, Bee. I like you, Anu and Mahi. I love the trees. I love the flowers. And I love the sunshine too. We love you too. We love you too." So, in this lesson, the little bird captured by some children. But the friends discussed themselves. They told not to keep in the box. Let him to fly. We do not like to stay in prison. We want always to free. How the children are suffering here now due to rainfall. They are unable to go outside to play. It was rain and the grass was wet. The grass ସବୁଜ ଘାସ ଗୁଡ଼ିକ ଓଦା ହେଇଛି. Joe, Mahi, Bee and Anu were inside the house. Joe, Mahi, Bee and Anu, a four friends, ତାଙ୍କ ଘର ଭିତରେ ଅଛନ୍ତି. What shall we do all day? କ'ଣ କରିବା ପୁରା ଦିନ ବୋଲି ସେମାନଙ୍କର ଭାଳେଣି ପଡ଼ିଲା. We cannot go out to play. ଆମେ ବାହାରକୁ ଯାଇପାରିବା ନାହିଁ. Oh look, a bird has come into our house. The bird how came into their house. Let us keep him in a box. I told you that home we need to protect ourselves. Similarly, the bird also came suddenly to protect himself. To protect himself. Let us keep him in a box, Joe shouted. But Anu told, "No, oh no, we must not do that. We must not do that. He will be sad. सी मन दुख करिबो आउ आमे ताको बंदी बनेगा नहीं। Then Bear opened the window. The clouds had gone. किछि समय परे the clouds has gone and Bear opened the window. The window opened. The clouds had gone and the sky was blue. आकाशर कलर नील वर्ण अछि। The sun was shining. सेतबेले सूर्य मध्य देखा जाउची कारण वर्षा पड़िबा परे कोन टिके सूर्य आसीची एवं वर्षा छाड़ी जाइछि। The little bird hopped out, hopping. The little bird hopped out. He was happy. He was happy. Why? Because he didn't. Her friends, जो Anu friends didn't keep in the box. He was happy. He flew and he flew and he flew. He flew and he flew and he flew. He flew to a big tree as the given in the picture. He was singing now. What was he saying? I think happily that bird is singing for these four friends. I like you, Joe. I like you, Bee. I like you, and Anu and Mahi. I love the trees. I love the flowers, and I love the sunshine too. The bird is telling, I am not liking the box. Indirectly, the bird is telling, I am not feeling good inside. Rather, I love the trees. मु ए गच्छ को भल पाए. I love the flowers. मु फूल को भल पाए. And I love the sunshine too. सूर्य किरण को मध्य मु भल पाए. We love you too, Anu and Mahi, Joe. All are telling we love you too. Happily they told to bird. So children, today we learned that free bird we never should keep in a creature. We should give them free. Okay? Thank you. Animal also. In our home we should take care for our elders and olders. Similarly, animals also we should take care. Thank you.